Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Seal, the easy way to coat, seal, and stop leaks fast. And now there's Flex Seal Liquid, the super thick rubber that you could pour right into cracks.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Seattle Police Department. At 4:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, reports were coming in that a creature was roaming around King County. As of this time, it is unknown if the creature is hostile. All residents that live in King County are strongly advised to stay vigilant as of this time. Do not by any means go near this creature at all costs, as this creature's intentions are unknown. Tune into media outlets for more updates on this situation.